Hello dear students, welcome back to the online class. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated at Kolabajar, Gorakhpur. So dear student, in today's class we are going to discuss about the exercises of chapter number 3. So dear student, first of all you all take out your New Gems English book. So dear student, this is your New Gems English book. You have to open it, and student, we have already read this story of chapter number 3, that we have learned in this story that in this chapter there is a little girl whose name is Seema, who doesn't keep their things at their proper place. That's why she falling down in her room and she got hurt. So student, through this chapter we have to learn moral, that is we should always keep our surrounding clean and also our room clean. We should keep this all. We should always follow the safety rules for ourselves. So student, by this chapter we have to learn it. So before starting the exercises, dear student, first of all we are going to learn the hard words of this chapter. So student, for that you all take out your notebook and mention date of today. Firstly we are going to write the hard words of this chapter. So let's start. Dear student, first of all you have to mention the date of today, and after that you have to write the chapter name, and it is chapter number 3. So like this you have to mention chapter number, and after that you have to write the chapter name. So tell me, what's the name of this chapter? So the chapter name is Why Did Seema Fall? Okay student, why did Seema fall? So like this we have to write title of this chapter, and after that first of all we have to write word meaning. Okay, word meaning. So for that we have to make two columns, one for word and another for meaning. So there is a first word is why. There is first word is why. And what the meaning of why? First of all tell me, what's the spelling of why? So the spelling of why is WHY, and the meaning of why is for what reason. For what reason. And the spelling of for what reason, FOR, for WHAT, what, REASON, reason. So like this you have to write word and its meaning. Now the second word is fall, FALL, fall. So student, what the meaning of fall? It means falling down. So the spelling of falling down is FALLING, falling, DOWN, down, falling down. Third word is small, 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 and the meaning of small is little, LITTLE, little. Now the fourth word is room, 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 and the meaning of room is a part of house, a part of house, APART, part, OF of HOUSE, house, a part of house. Next word is number 5, curtain. Student, the next word is curtain. The spelling of curtain is CURTAIN, curtain, and the meaning of curtain is parda, PARDA, parda. Okay student. Now the next word is untidy. The next word is untidy, and the spelling of untidy is UNTIDY, untidy. Spelling of untidy is UNTIDY, untidy, and the meaning of untidy is dirty, DIRTY, dirty. Okay. Now the next is number 7. So next word is trips, TRIPS, trips. So student, the meaning of trips is slip, SLIP, slip. Okay. Now the next is hurt, HURT, hurt. The next word is hurt, HURT, hurt. It means injured physically, injured physically. Okay. The spelling of hurt is HURT, hurt, and the meaning of hurt is injured physically. So the spelling of injured physically is INJURED, injured, physically, PHYSICALLY, physically. Okay. Now the next number 9 is put, 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 and the meaning of put is keep, KEEP, keep. Okay student. Next number 10 is many. The next word is many, 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 and the meaning of many is lots, LOTS, lots. Okay. The last one is cry. The last one is cry, C-R-Y, and the meaning of cry is weep, W-E-E-P, weep. So like this you have to write this word meaning. Okay student, one more time we are going to read this given word meaning. First is why, and the meaning of why is for what reason. Second is fall, and the meaning of fall is falling down. Third is small, and the meaning of small is little. Fourth is room, and the meaning of room is a part of house. Fifth is curtain, and the meaning of curtain is parda. Number 6 is untidy, and the meaning of untidy is dirty. Number 7 is trips, and the meaning of trips is sleep. Number 8 is hurt, and the meaning of hurt is injured physically. Number 9 is put, and the meaning of put is keep. Number 10 is many, and the meaning of many is lots. Number 11 is cry, and the meaning of cry is weep. Okay student, so like this we have done this word meaning. Now we moving to the next. After this there is a exercise A. So let's do the exercise A. So dear student, tell me what will we do in exercise A. So there is exercise A, and in this exercise we have to circle correct words. Circle the correct words. Okay student, we have to circle correct words according to the sentence. Here are two options and we have to choose the correct one. So first is Seema has a big or small room. So student, tell me which type of room that Seema have. So we have to learn in the story that Seema had a small room. Which type of room? She had a small room. So here is the given option is small is correct. So we have to circle the word small. What is the spelling of small? S-M-E-L-L, small. So we have to circle the given word small. So Seema has a small room. Okay student. Now the second is the bed cover is red, blue. The bed cover is red or blue. So tell me what the color of bed sheet in Seema's room. So the color of bed cover is blue. So we have to circle the word blue. So student, tell me what the spelling of blue. The spelling of blue is B-L-U-E, blue. So we have to circle the word blue. Now the third is Seema's room is untidy, clean. So tell me which type of room that Seema had, untidy or clean. So student, we have to learn in this story that Seema's room is untidy because she not put their things at their proper place. Okay, she only likes to play but not keep them on their proper place. So we have to circle the words untidy, and tell me what the spelling of untidy. The spelling of untidy is U-N-T-I-D-Y, untidy. Okay student, now moving to the next, number 4. So fourth is one shoes is on the bed or chair. So you have to choose the correct one. Tell me where is the Seema's one shoes, on the bed or on the chair. So student, in number 4 there is a given option chair is correct because her one shoes is on the chair and other one is under the bed. Okay, so here we have to circle the word chair. What the spelling of chair? C-H-A-I-R, chair. Okay student, now the next is number 5. In number 5 Seema has many or few toys. So tell me which kind of toys does Seema have, many or few? So we all know that Seema has many toys. Okay, Seema has many toys. So we have to circle the given word many. What is the spelling of many? M-A-N-Y, many. So like this we have to circle the correct words in exercise A. So one more time we are going to recheck. So in number 1 Seema has a small room. We have to circle the word small. Second is the bed cover is blue. So we have to circle the word blue. Third is Seema's room is so untidy. Fourth is one shoes is on the chair. In number 5 Seema has many toys. Okay, many toys. So like this we have to complete this exercise A. So student, it's very important for you that you should keep your things at their proper place and you always follow the safety rules. Okay student, you must be remember this all things that you have learned in this story. So after completing exercise A, we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise B. So dear student, what will we do in exercise B? So here we have to do that Seema runs into the room. What happens next? Number the sentences. So we have to give a number according to the sentences. So let's do it. So first of all, as we all know that Seema trips on her bag and falls. First of all, what happened? What happening first? Tell me. So first is say trips on her bag and falls, and after that she hurts her elbow and she start crying. So like this we have to give number to these sentences. First of all, what happened the first? So she trips on her bags and falls. Second is she hurts her elbow, and third one is she starts crying. So like this you have to complete this exercise A and B in your note in your book. Okay student, and your homework is you have to learn hard words of this chapter. Student, you have to learn this given word meaning and also learn it. Okay student. So now that's it for today students. I will explain the next remaining exercises in my next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.